Hello everybody, welcome once again to Career Ride. In today's video, we are going to discuss 5 uncommon interview questions that are usually asked to IT freshers along with their sample answers. Yes, you heard it right. This is a set of 5 uncommon questions that are usually asked to IT freshers. So pay attention. Stay tuned until the end, and if you find this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends also. So let's begin. Question number 1. Tell me about a time when you faced a challenging technical issue and how did you resolve it? To answer such a question, you can say something like, while interning, I faced a difficult technical issue while creating a web application. We had problems with slow loading and too many server requests. To resolve this problem, I analyzed the application structure and found ways to make it better. We improved the performance a lot by using caching, optimizing database queries, and using content delivery networks. This taught me how important it is to troubleshoot systematically and use the right tools to solve complex technical problems effectively. Fantastic. Let's move on to question number 2 now. Describe a situation in which you had to collaborate with a multidisciplinary team in order to complete the project. How did you help the team succeed? Now, to answer this type of a question, you can say something like, in my final year project, I was a part of a team that included developers, designers, and testers. And together, we all created a mobile application. As a developer, my main responsibility was to work on the development part. I actively took part in team meetings where I updated everyone about my progress, talked about any technical difficulties I faced, and asked for the feedback from my teammates. I also collaborated closely with the UI UX designers to smoothly incorporate the design elements into the development process. By ensuring a collaborative atmosphere and using my technical skills, we were able to deliver the project as per the schedule. Question number 3. Describe a time when you had to work with a challenging client or stakeholder. How did you handle the situation? To answer this question, you can say something like, during a previous internship, I worked with a very difficult client who had constantly changing requirements and high expectations for the project's delivery. To handle the situation, I took a proactive approach by scheduling regular meetings to understand their concerns and expectations in detail. I then explained the technical constraints and the impact of their requested changes on the project's timeline and budget. By offering solutions and providing clear communication, I managed to negotiate a more reasonable scope and timeline that aligned with both the client's expectations and the project's technical feasibility. This experience taught me the importance of effective communication, negotiation skills, and managing client expectations to ensure successful project outcomes. Okay, now moving on to question number 4. Describe a situation where you had to learn a new programming language or technology quickly. How did you go about learning it? Now, since you're a fresher, you yourself know that you'll have to relate all these questions to some of your internship experience only. So, to answer this question, you can say something like, during a previous internship, I had to learn a new programming language quickly in order to develop a specific feature. To achieve this, I followed a structured learning approach. I started by compiling online resources, tutorials, and language specific documentation. To build a strong foundation, I first acquainted myself with the syntax and core ideas of the language. I then used online guides and video courses that provided real world examples and exercises. To reinforce my learning, I practiced with small coding exercises to apply my knowledge and gain some hands on experience. This method allowed me to quickly grasp the new programming language and successfully implement the feature that was needed for the project. And now, coming to the fifth and final question for today's video. Describe a time when you discovered a potential security flaw in a system or application. How did you address the issue? Now, to answer this question, you can say something like, during an internship, while performing a security analysis of a web application, I found a possible security weakness in the login system. The application didn't have proper input validation, which could be exploited by SQL injection attacks. To solve this problem, I immediately informed the development team and explained the vulnerability and its potential impact in detail. Together, we created a plan to fix the vulnerability, which included implementing proper input validation and using parameterized queries to prevent SQL injection. I also tested the security measures carefully to make sure they worked. This way, we successfully fixed the problem by quickly identifying it and working together with the development team. So, friends, these are the sample answers to some of the uncommon interview questions that you might face. I hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching it, and if you have found this useful, do give it a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe for more such videos. Thank you, and I'll see you very soon with a new one. Bye bye till then.